Hello everyone, welcome to this Smart FXLand tutorial. Today, I will show you how this powerful trading tool works and how it can help traders identify high probability trading opportunities. Let's get started. First, we identify a significant market low, just like the one shown on the chart. Then we place the blue vertical line on that low and click the blue Calculate button. The indicator automatically creates a blue box. This blue box represents a potential reversal zone, where the market may change direction. If the price breaks above the blue box and successfully moves through it, this indicates a possible trend reversal from bearish to bullish. In other words, the market may be preparing for an upward move. That is why the blue box is very important. Once the price breaks through this zone, the trend reversal becomes much more significant. As you can see here, the price successfully broke above the blue box and continued higher. Now it is time to identify our entry point. We select the first candle that breaks above the blue box and closes beyond it. Then we place the pink vertical line on that candle and click the pink Calculate button. After the calculation is complete, the indicator creates a pink box. This pink box represents our entry zone and potential buy area. As you can see, traders can use this pink box as a buying opportunity and target higher price levels. Now let's talk about profit targets. After entering a buy position from the pink box, our targets are calculated using previous market lows on the same time frame. By analyzing these previous lows, the Smart FXLand indicator helps identify potential upside, targets and profit-taking levels. This is the first target, this is the second target, and additional targets can be calculated in exactly the same way as the trend continues to develop. This was a brief introduction to how to enter trades and use the Smart FXLand indicator on the gold M5 time frame. In future videos, I will introduce more FXLand tools and show you how they can improve your trading performance. Thank you for watching, and thank you for taking the time to view this video. See you in the next tutorial.